Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X5 and Dodge Durango RT. We'll dive into what makes each of these SUVs unique, from their core philosophies to their on-road presence. The X5 is known for its premium feel and sophisticated engineering, while the Durango RT brings a powerful, American muscle car attitude to the SUV segment. We'll explore their performance, interior features, and overall driving dynamics to help you understand their key differences. Let's get started. When it comes to power, both SUVs deliver, but with different approaches. The BMW X5 often comes with a potent 3.0-liter inline-six engine, offering a smooth yet powerful ride. The Dodge Durango RT, on the other hand, boasts a robust 5.7-liter Hemi V8, providing that classic American muscle feel. While the X5 is quicker off the line, the Durango RT offers a thrilling, visceral experience with its V8 rumble. Each provides ample power for daily driving and more. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. And on another note, if you're looking to bring your space to life, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to add smart home capabilities and great sound to any room. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other awesome deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Stepping inside, the X5 immediately impresses with its high-quality materials and sophisticated design. You'll find a large, curved display and the intuitive iDrive system, making technology feel seamless. The Durango RT offers a more rugged, performance-oriented interior, centered around its Uconnect system and available sport seats. Both SUVs provide comfortable seating, with options for a third row, making them practical for families. The choice here really comes down to your preference for luxury versus a more aggressive, sporty feel. On the road, the BMW X5 offers a truly refined experience. Its suspension soaks up bumps effortlessly, and the steering is incredibly precise, making it feel smaller than it is. It's a joy on twisty roads, providing a balanced and engaging drive. The Durango RT, however, feels more like a muscle car in SUV form. It's confident and powerful, with a firmer ride that communicates the road well. While both are capable, the X5 leans into luxury and agility, while the Durango RT embraces its raw power and commanding presence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.